man.
Bros. Why don't know?
Where do I be?
Hey, please find him.
Sabinus, where be this fine place you carry me come?
Now here my girlfriend send me message. Tell me say she want do surprise for me. I want just rush come make I see.
This is a relationship rich like this.
My brother, the love just the sweet. Bros, how are you now? As you get this, nice are you?
Yes, I am.
You go open that.
We did together.
We are together.
Oh my God! And I am too much.
Bros. Stand up, stand up. No be you they propose to.
Jesus!
The person they propose to they are back. What is it? Stand up,
Something
stand up. Come on,
What?
Get out, get out. Come on, come outside now.
Say yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've been waiting for.
What's happening here now, bros? This is my girlfriend, for God's sake. She invited me here that she wants to surprise me. So what is happening?
But you have come now.
Yes!
Are you not surprised?
I'm surprised.
That is the aim.
What?
I'm shocked. What is happening?
On I get issues.
Hey, calm, you go investor.
Oga, I be person the blow trumpet don't I? If you come help us blow.
Make I blow trumpet.
Not be juju be that.
Make I just have to keep myself busy.
Go and blow, go and blow. It's a big blow now.
She for tell me say na trumpet, she invite me to blow.
Go blow, go blow.
Change their mind.
Ah, Jesus.
70 years old man. Oh, no.
What we give is miracle.
Do Xmas for me. Leave this way they talk.
Xmas is against the wall.
Who says so?
Xmas is satanic.
Oh, you have to
What you need now is long life and prosperity.
But you have to do Xmas for me. I know. I need.
What shall it profit you if you take Xmas and there's no long life?
Who says so? I have a long life.
Let's chase long life. Forget about Xmas.
Of what is a lie? Of what is do Xmas for me? Leave this way they talk.
Early, brother.
I'm not